Hey friends, if you wish to fix error code 0xc0000221 on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool. Why? Because it will be checking the RAM, which can be the main culprit behind the problem. So search for Memory Diagnostic in the Windows search bar and click on Windows Memory Diagnostic. Select Restart Now and check for problems. The next solution is a check disk scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space /r space /f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again to initiate the scan. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to perform recovery on the system, which is also known as system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Go to open system restore. Select choose a different restore point. Next, choose a good restore point. Next, finish, and then finally click on yes. The last solution is to reset Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, scroll down and then select recovery. Click on reset PC, select remove everything, select cloud download, and then you can initiate the repair process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.